Otherwise, you're not gonna be looking the ways to get the live function on your profile. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to go on the lower right side where it says your profile. You click on your profile and then you want to head to the top right corner where you have the 3 straight lines. You click on the 3 straight lines and then you want to click on settings and privacy, the last option. When you're at settings and privacy, you want to scroll all the way down to report a problem, okay? This is very important. And don't lose your time going through different topics because this will not let you submit anything. This is simple Q&A, questions and answers over here. You're not gonna find your answer. Even if you click on the live option, I guarantee you will not find any good reply or solution of your issue. What you want to do, you want to click on the last option, which is submit a report. You want to submit a personal report and you want to type in this report, this is what I prepare for you. Check out this very cool message, very warm, that will simply make them to let you have this function. This is a very nice message. I was wondering why I cannot go live on TikTok. My followers are really looking for my live stream. Currently you're streaming, currently you have to change this one. Currently I am streaming on other platforms and you want to make sure, yes, I'm streaming on other social medias, but my main focus is TikTok, okay? You want to make sure that you let them know that you have a bunch of followers in community already built up on other social media platforms. You cannot tell them that you have a bunch of followers here on TikTok because you don't have 1000 followers here, right?